now I'm going to be having these tasty rice noodles with salad and tuna as a quick meal that I'm going to really enjoy. I might put a bit of animation on, have a bit of a laugh, because I've got to calm my nervous down now, because when you're in fight or flight mode, in survival mode, your system is all like high alert, are ready to run. Do you know what I mean? So now I've got to calm all my nervous system down by eating things that make me feel good, getting some sleep, watching some humorous stuff, listen to affirmations, know that it's safe again, and yeah, yummy foods. Some noodles. Hee hee. These are delicious. I don't usually have tuna with them, but I need something quick. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm.